Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I'm so excited to announce the launch date for my next online course. The course will be the Sunflower Swipe Technique, and the launch date will be Wednesday, July the 3rd at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. The course will only be available on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. I'm so excited for you guys to see this course. The course will be similar in format to my previous courses, and if you want more information about what will be on the course, you can check out my website. I'm going to be running a special price for the first week only. That will be from July 3rd until July 10th. The special price will be $29.99, and then after the 10th, the price will increase to $39.99. The painting from the video you guys are going to see today is the Sunflower Swipe Technique. Unfortunately, I do not have the painting to show you. It was a commission piece that I did for a lovely customer, and it has already gone to its new home, but I will insert a picture here for you guys to see it. I'm really happy with how the painting turned out, and the customer really liked it too. She wanted purples, and so we did some bright purples, bright lavenders. I even made a custom pearl lavender. So yeah, really happy with the results. Again, my Sunflower Swipe Technique will be launching on my website, Crystal Coast Originals, on Wednesday, July the 3rd. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.